What's going on, everybody? Man, welcome back to the garage. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to what I would like to call somewhat of a review video, because I thought it was pretty interesting. Some stuff I felt when I was after I installed the fuel pump. So I feel like, man, let's get into it. Let's start talking about this stuff a little bit and let's see what's up. So what's happening, everybody, man? So like I told you guys, man, the install was not that bad, man. It was pretty good. So, but after installing it, I did notice a few things. But you know what? Before I say all of that, I know the video was long. That's kind of why I kind of chaptered it up the way I did it, where you can kind of skip around and look where you want to look. If y'all like that sort of thing, man, throw it in the comments, man. Let me know if that's what you like, because my thing is this: I can't tell you guys to do your own warranty, do your own work if I'm not showing you everything. So for me, I got to feel like I'm telling you guys everything you need to know. So that's the reason why I kind of chopped it up the way I did, to kind of let you guys know what's going on. So if you guys like that, let me know in the comments, because the video for me, I don't want to take out any detail. That way you get to see exactly what you're getting into. I can say one thing. It was some tight spots in there, some little hard areas where it was giving me a little bit of a problem putting it in there. So some of the stuff, I try and keep as much of that stuff in there as I can without it just being, I don't want the video to be boring, but I just wanted it to be informative. So let me know what you guys think on that. But anyway, like I was saying, things that I noticed when I was riding in the thing. So when I ride in the car, and usually when my fuel gets to about a quarter of a tank, which is kind of still right around the area where it was when I was driving it, it seems a bit sluggish. It's not as peppy as when you put a full tank of gas in there, and it's like, I don't know if I'm explaining it right, but it feels different. Well, after I put the pump in there, I noticed that it felt like it was just really trying to go, which for me, if the car felt a bit peppier, because I'm guessing, it's getting more flow. So, and plus I've already gotten a tune on the car, so maybe the demand for the fuel is a little bit different. So, I mean, I don't know, maybe I'm tripping. I can be just tweaking out right now, but I know I definitely feel a difference in how peppier it feels with the pump in there. It's like getting a full tank of gas and you're trying to go, and the car is just really responsive and ready to go. So I thought that was interesting, and it'd be a good thing to tell you guys. Other than that, I haven't really noticed anything weird with the car. It's still been doing its thing. It's been pretty much good to go. So I kind of just want to let you guys know that if anything else pops up, I'll let you know. It's only just been like a week. So hold on, some plane going by. Yeah. So I just thought that'd be some interesting knowledge for you guys to know. That's all. All right, y'all. So the next thing I kind of want to let you guys know is, well, GoPro did wind up sending me the camera. So the camera has come in. I do have it, and my plan for this thing is really I still haven't figured out how to do time lapses on this camera yet, but I'm gonna figure it out. But I do like how the time lapses are set up on this thing. It seems complicated on there, but I'm gonna figure it out anyway. But I have it, so this thing will be good. I'm probably gonna use this to get into tight areas whenever I'm recording, and time lapses, and actually most importantly for POV driving, because this thing, I have all the gear needed to set this camera up to where I can use it. It's good for POV, so that's kind of what I'm gonna use this thing for. So we do have us another, we have a good GoPro. This is the Hero 10. This replaces my Hero 9 Black. So we got this. All right, y'all. So another thing I was thinking of, man, I kind of want to mention to you guys, just in case, you know what I'm saying? Been doing this for a while, man, and we coming to the end of the year, so it's time to do some planning for next year. And it'd be interesting to know, what do you guys want to see? I mean, though, yes, when I'm building my car, I'm building it for me, but I'm letting you guys come with me on this journey to figure out how to install this stuff. And it'd be interesting to see. Y'all always have some pretty good ideas on things to do and things to add, and I appreciate those ideas. So stuff that y'all think y'all might want to see, man, I'll be interested in knowing that, and maybe we could do it, or maybe I can fit it into the schedule for next year. So but we're gonna do our end of the year video, and we're gonna talk a little bit more about what we're gonna do for next year. But like I said, I think it would be interesting to know what you guys would want to see, because like I said, I can't do this without y'all anyway. So I'd be curious to know what y'all got to say. So yeah, man, hit me up in the comments, man. Let me know what you think. So fam, one more thing I wanted to let you guys know is that though I may not be showing it, but anytime that I do any of these mods on the car, it's also a good idea to write down the mileage at which you changed out the parts. That way then you can kind of keep track of whenever you do make a change, how many miles you have on that particular component, or how long it's been since you have changed it. So it's always a good thing to do that. So, you know, if I don't say it, usually when I do that, I do kind of keep track of this stuff. It's not all about just putting the parts in. You got to keep track of what you install, when you installed it. So you know exactly how many miles it is before, you know, you can kind of gauge how long something lasts, and you can track that sort of information, that sort of stuff. You know, I'm telling y'all this because I just thought it'd be interesting to tell y'all that, because I know I don't say it, but I do it. I'm like OCD for that. You know, you got to take care of your stuff. You got to know what's there, because sometimes you'll think about a part, you'll have an issue with something. You're like, dude, how long have I had that in the car? It helps you with troubleshooting certain issues too. So you're like, wait, this shouldn't have went bad. To a degree, it does help you with troubleshooting. So make sure that you guys do that. Keep track of your parts, when you put them in, how many miles is on the car. I even put the date I put it in there, so I can get a time frame and mileage on when I put that thing in there. I don't put the time. I ain't that crazy with it. But I do log in that information. I just thought that'd be interesting to know. So let's move on to the next part. So for the most part, that's really all I got for you guys, just to give you guys that little quick review on how the fuel pump feels in the car, and what ideas on. I mean, if y'all like the way I chopped the video in chapters so you guys can kind of go to where you need to and find what you want to see in there, whatever part of the install. Because like I say, the videos will be a little bit long. I don't want to take out too much info, just in case I can't gauge everybody's mechanical knowledge on how to do stuff. So I try and make sure I put enough details in there so anybody can follow along and kind of be able to do this stuff yourself. If I'm not leaving enough details, if it's more stuff you want to know, man, let me know that too. That'd be interesting. And the third thing is just give me some input on what y'all think y'all want to see for next year, because I have my ideas on what I want to do. But that's going to be for the end of the year video. So I'll talk to you guys about that as we get closer to that, really in December. So I think the video for the last week of December is where I'm shooting to be able to have that video out by then. And then we'll see how the next year going to go. But again, appreciate y'all if y'all made it this far in the video, man. I'm going to try and throw in a little review whenever I can, if I think I need to. And like I said, I thought it was interesting how the car felt, even with like a quarter tank. Felt different. But anyway, appreciate it if you made it this far in the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell notification, hit all, so you get notified whenever I put out a video. And until that next video, fam, peace.